Well, YouTube, you're in for a treat. Got a helper here. My sister from Alberta. Well, enjoy the video. It should be fun watching her not know what she's doing. But I heard you just look at it hard enough and it opens. Do you have door handles in Alberta? Jesus.
No, I would open it. I remember how.
There you go, champ. All right. Come on. You can't even get a full pail.
No, that's as full as I can.
Holy.
Well, can I take this there and fill it up?
No. You bring the pail here and you dump it in. Jeez.
I don't remember this being before.
You're much. Could you get some more dust in there? Oh man. Tell they're all full.
What?
Come on, pitter patter, get her.
Here, I'm taking this here.
Donut. We're running on Manitoba time here.
Never mind. There. Doesn't that take more sense?
Yeah, there we go.
Perfect. We're in business.
We're in business. Come on, Mighty Mouse, hurry up. Okay, that's enough. Awesome. Yep.
Where'd you get this extra pail from?
Oh, there's more here too. I don't know, Danette. I don't know. I think you should stick with nursing. There we go.
How many more pails?
Another 6, 7, 8 pails. No, this is the last one for now. This will be enough for the calves. Here we go.
Does anybody need topping up?
No. All right. All right. I brought you a snack.
Yo!
You're gonna need your energy. Uh-oh.
I don't have a seatbelt on.
Rule 1, there's no seatbelts in Manitoba.
Okay, I'll just hold on. I can open it.
All right, champ.
I got it.
Well, it should be interesting. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, climb through the barbed wire. Don't open the gate or anything. Yeah, get snagged. Get your man. Oh my God. Perfect! You're doing great! Perfect! Oh, there we go. There you go. Stop. Stop.
Is there any way to get this door open with both doors at the same time?
You know what, Donut? You look like you're Getting hungry. Maybe you need some energy? You want some
I don't want
bacon
to
soaked
know.
bread?
I don't want to know.
Okay, I brought it out for you just in case. Okay, so for this part, we gotta carry all those pails of oats into here and feed the calves. So let's
Over the gate?
yeah, let's do it the Ukrainian way. Let's carry it over the gate. That's always fun. Oh my God, we almost lost control.
You're a really reckless driver.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to bed these guys too.
Okay.
All right. If you want to crawl over the fence, I'll pass you the pails. And perfect. I think you should find a smaller square to crawl through.
I thought I could fit. Okay,
Hmm.
never mind.
Interesting. How are you gonna put your feet through that? Oh my God, this is gonna go horribly wrong.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. And now you pass them.
No, not until you're on the ground. Kill yourself. Here.
I'll just carry them. Okay, where's that thing?
No, just each one of these. I'll come in there. I'll load these over here and help you. Hello, guys. Hey, Donut. That one tub at the end? And then, like, the last two. Feel the burn.
Can I get ringworm from this?
Yep, probably. There's a second one, like a little one by your feet. No, not on the snow. There's a tub right there, like a portable one. Yes, so move that. What? On top? No. Flip it, like, yeah, and move it down. It's not supposed to be there. The cows pushed it there. Oh, good Lord. Oh. Dad, I thought ranchers were supposed to live in Alberta. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Well, good help is really hard to find these days. So I had to settle for Donut. All right, well, Danette's done her 2 pails. I'm done my 4. You know, it's all done now. There we go. All right, so you split it between the 2? Like you put 1 in each?
I put one
Uh-huh.
in the
Okay, awesome.
That far enough from that too? The other one?
Perfect, yeah. You're gonna get a sticker for grain pouring. Here, guys, come on.
Here, guys.
All right, Donut. You just want to stand there and get trampled?
Hi, guys. Here, one can move.
They probably smell the ground beef on you. They know you just fried up 3 pounds of hamburger. I don't blame them. Here, guys. Just watch yourself, eh? Here, guys. Here, guys. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's run the opposite way from the grain alley. That makes sense. They've only been coming in here for 2 months. Dad, did you bring these 3 from Alberta? Because they're like, they don't even know what they're doing here. Come on. Come on, El Rancho. Come on, El Rancho. Let's get them. What? Don't call them. Push them into the door, the entrance. Stop it. You're chasing them here. This is a disaster. I've never had this. Good Lord. Well, just move further away. Holy. You're gonna traumatize the poor calves. Well, YouTube, you're not the only ones traumatized by Danette's arrival at the ranch. Fortunately, the poor calves don't know which way to go. It's a good windbreak. It's nice. All right. Okay, climb over and we'll go give the heifers some oats. Now, I gotta forewarn you about that. I don't know if you should. This is painful to watch. This is a farm injury waiting to happen. I'm gonna forewarn you. The heifers get a little excited. I don't know if I should send you out. Maybe I'll just come with you and make sure everyone makes it home alive.
Where's all the oats for the heifers, though?
We just started getting oats. We got more to get. Get your spoon and hands out. Oops.
Ow.
All right. The airbags are good in this thing. Don't have to worry. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Come on there.
Fill those pails again?
Come on, Big Tex. Come on.
Have to really fill up.
Yeah, we do. Okay, oozing machismo, your turn. Do we have to unload the pails?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right. You do things so ass backwards that they're backwards ass.
Hey, how did I get? Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Pull, don't push.
Kind of like you did it last time. Ah, Donut. You're a good kid, Donut.
I know.
Don't worry, you're gonna get a D for effort.
I can feel the love.
You know what? You're doing everything pretty good, but you know what? You could probably... Can you crawl into the grain bin a little bit more? When you're...
Get more?
Just a little bit. Oh. Okay, after... No, I was joking. I was being sarcastic as to the fact that you're halfway in there.
Oh. It's hard work.
Oh my god, the top of your hat is full of cobwebs and oats, and it's like what nightmares are made of. Oh. Do you have asthma or allergies? Because you're an aggressive paler. There's just dust everywhere. Oh man. I should have a stay clear 20 feet sign here. Holy moly. Next time you should wear like stickier mitts. That everything's...
These are mom's as
Are,
well.
are those Velcro or what? They're just dirty. Were they clean when you put them on?
Yeah. I took them out of Mom's closet.
Just put them in Dad's truck and say he did it. Oh, there
Okay,
we go.
now we can close this?
Yes. After we feed this up, we gotta come back for another load.
Why did you tell me to get in deeper? Look, you can suffocate under grain in this bin.
All right, Donut, we're paid by the hour.
This is hard.
I forgot to say I don't, there's no premiums, I don't pay premiums. Actually, to be honest, I don't pay at all. I hope you're all right with that.
Yeah.
But how about an IOU?
I'm just doing it in Pinky Bob.
Oh, okay. There we go. We have an understanding then. Okay, I'm not joking here. You gotta run because they're all gonna charge you. So you have to run. Open these gates
Run over them.
before they see.
Oh, God.
Serious. Don't get in front of them. Hurry up! It's spot us. Hurry up! I hope they don't all charge. Don't stand in front of them either if they charge you. All the way, all the way. Hurry up, they're coming. Hurry up, they're coming. Oh, whoops, sorry. All right. Okay, maybe, oh, see, they're charging now. Oh my God, watch out guys, watch out. No, Danette, watch your feet. Hey. Holy. Whoa. Holy moly.
Can you take the snow out?
No. You want to take the snow out and get trampled? So I'm not gonna lie to you, I want to make a grain alley for these guys. This gets it's too dangerous like this. They get too excited. Here, Danette, can you drive the mule up
Yeah.
to those two bins? Jeez. Holy moly. Good, I think you should have locked the brakes up a little harder. Oh. Oh. All right. Here. Yeah, one there. One here. Here, girl.
The one closest to
Here. Here, girl. Here. Come here, girl. Here. Hi. Danette, come here. Come scratch my pet. She's my tamest cow. See her? Give her a pet. Yeah, she's nice. She's a nice girl. Hi.
Oh, you like her. Oh, here. Oh.
Okay. All right. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is when I give them oats. They're haywire.
They're so trained that they knew it.
Yeah.
It's a gate.
So I want to put in a gate across here so we can do like what we did with the cows, because this is kind
That's
of
a good idea.
Yeah, it's unsafe like this.
Make a bunch of trough. You can even make a wooden trough.
Oh, we don't need a wooden trough. We just need like a gate.
You can make a nice trough, and I can come and paint it for you and decorate it.
Yeah, we can decorate it nice so we can get it covered in cow poo. Perfect. I see somebody was stealing water. See, this shouldn't be covered up. We gotta break that.
Who is still
We gotta go get a sledgehammer and you're gonna have to break that away.
Okay. Do you have an axe or something?
No, we gotta go get one.
What would be stealing water?
I was joking.